Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marustake. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can connect to XJ Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, sharing this tutorial with your friend, and don't forget to drop a like. And that is it. Let us start up our tutorial. First things first, we're going to start by opening our Google Play Store, and then once we open Google Play Store, we're going to search for this application, which is XJ Tunnel VPN. So take note of the spelling, take note of the app icon, take note of that app name, and then record the developer's name. So you're going to download this application in your device, and then after downloading it, I request you to install, and then after open. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to allow all the notifications and then come and check later. After checking later, this is what you're going to do next. First things first, while in this application, you're going to come in the top, you're going to first come where you see that OK, and then check onto it, and then you're going to come in the top left corner onto those menu slashes, check onto them, and this is what we're going to do next. We're going to look for what we call, we're going to come back at the dashboard and then go right here. The reason why I'm telling you to tap right there is to update the servers for this application, so that you can be able to connect to the fastest stable servers. So check right there and then update the servers. You'll be watching an advert for like 3 seconds, and then check onto that cross stuff. Second last, you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then once you go auto select server, you're going to look for any server that is optimal, or you're going to look for a server that is near to your country's location. But if you're not able to spot out that server, you can use the multi-DP server 1, or you're free to keep in the auto select server. Lastly, you're going to come where you see all country, and then tap right there. You're going to come from local networks to all networks, and then you're going to scroll and look for your country's network. But if you're not able to see your country's network, or if you're looking for a fast stable server, you're going to come in the search bar and then type in UDP. There you're going to be able to connect to this server right there, and then after press the start. Give it some few seconds to establish a secure connection, and that is it. Hope you're seeing how fast it is. That is 1 MB, that is 3 MBs, and that is 4 MBs. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial right there. Don't forget to subscribe, like the tutorial. I sign out.